In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the font controls and how to preview changes in real time so your workspace looks and feels just right. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. Sign in if you need to, then open any project so you're inside the editor. Once the workspace loads, look to the left sidebar. That's where all the key controls live. Find the gear icon labeled Settings and click it to open your editor preferences. Inside Settings, locate the Custom Themes area. This is where you can fine-tune how Replit looks. Click Manage Themes to jump into the theme editor. It may open in the same tab or a new one, but either way, you'll land on a page dedicated to customizing your theme. In the theme editor, head to Typography. This section controls the fonts used across the interface and the editor itself. On the left side, you'll see the main categories you can adjust, typically sans serif, serif, and monospace. Each one affects a different part of the experience. Sans serif usually covers a lot of the UI text. Serif may be used for headings or certain components, and monospace is the crucial one for your code editor. Start with sans serif. Click the drop-down next to it and choose a new font from the list. As soon as you pick one, a live preview appears immediately so you can see how the change impacts labels, menus, and other interface text. If the style feels too tight or too loose, try another option until it reads comfortably at a glance. Next, adjust the serif font the same way. Open the drop-down and select a style that pairs well with your sans serif choice. The preview updates right away, which makes it easy to compare options without leaving the page. Finally, update the monospace font. This one affects how your code looks, so prioritize clarity. Choose a font where characters like 0 and the letter O are easy to tell apart, and where brackets, braces, and punctuation are crisp. As with the others, your selection previews instantly so you can gauge readability with actual code samples. If your editor supports ligatures and you prefer them, pick a font designed for that. Otherwise, choose a clean, traditional monospaced face. That's it. Your changes are saved with the theme, and you can switch fonts again anytime by returning to Settings, opening Custom Themes, and heading back to Typography. With just a few clicks, you've tailored Replit's fonts to match your workflow and make coding more comfortable.